In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Affinity Photo. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your text is perfectly aligned, whether you're working inside a text box or directly on your canvas. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about centering your text horizontally when you're using frame text, which you might know more commonly as a text box. If you've already set up your text in a frame, what you need to do is select that text frame. Once you have it selected, look at the context toolbar that appears when you activate the text tool. Here, you'll see an option for paragraph alignment. By choosing Center Align, your text will be neatly positioned right in the middle, from left to right, within the boundaries of that text box. This horizontal alignment is a great way to ensure your text looks balanced and professional. Next, we'll move on to vertical centering within that same text frame. Keeping the selected frame text in our sights, what we're going to do is navigate to the text menu while you're editing the text frame. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Vertical Alignment. Clicking on this, you'll see the center choice available. Selecting it will shift your text upward or downward until it's perfectly centered vertically inside the text frame itself. This is particularly useful for creating visually appealing designs where symmetry is key. Now, let's bring our attention to aligning the entire text layer on your canvas. Maybe you have some text in a frame, or perhaps it's not confined to a box. It doesn't matter. What we're aiming for here is to place this text layer dead center on your canvas, and here's how we're going to achieve that. First, select the Move tool. You can do this by pressing the V key as a shortcut or clicking directly on the tool. With the Move tool active, click on your text layer. This will let us access the alignment options we need. Now, direct your attention to the alignment tools that are conveniently located on the top context toolbar or within the Align panel. You'll begin by choosing the Align Center Horizontally option. This command will neatly place your text in the middle from left to right on your canvas. But don't stop there. To complete the centering process, select Align Middle, which also may be labeled Center Vertically. This final step ensures your text is positioned precisely at the center of the canvas in all directions, creating a harmonious and perfectly balanced visual. With these steps, your text alignment in Affinity Photo should now be perfect. Whether working within a frame or on the canvas, the text will now look professionally aligned, lending a clean and polished appearance to all your designs. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy designing!